Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday, March the 27th, 2023. No, it's the additional of a few weeks ago, the Saturday edition, March the 4th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper, there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve an old additional with puzzles left. We have here three puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with one star. Yeah. Let me start with the first puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Yeah, the letter Sudoku with I believe 27 printed digits, not digits, letters. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 27 printed letters. And this will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. I believe number 6183. 6183. Okay. 83. All right. The letters I can use are 9 unique letters. And those letters are the I, the H, the Z, the M, the O, the G, the E, the N, and the L. And the goal is to solve this word in the middle column. It's a Dutch word. It's a Dutch word. And after I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which we have I in this column, I in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the I should be there. I. H, yeah, we have H in the last row, H in the row above, so in that row, the only two places left for the H should be here or there. We see an H in this column, no H there. H should be in there. H and and the Z is missing here. The Z. Alright. GG. Let me think. MM. Oh. Yeah. The H here. No. We have H in this row, H in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the H should be here or there. We see an H in this column, no H there. H should be there. Should be an H there. H should be H here. H there. Alright. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. G. The N should be here. Come on. G. And the I. Yeah. I'm thinking. E. E E E E E E E. E. Yeah. Easy. E E E E Z. Come on. It's taking too long. M and N. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the M and N. We have M and N in this column, so no M and N in these 2 boxes. The M and N goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the Z is missing and the L is missing. We have a L in this row, no L there. L should be here, and the Z goes there. L in this row, L in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the L should be there. One of the missing letters, the E. E and M and the N. Oh, we have an N here. So this can't be an N anymore. That box should be an N, and this box should be an M. So 2 missing letters in the last row for letters Z and the E. Alright. So we have M in this column, M in the last column. So the column between the only place left for the M should be there. Z. I in this row. I in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the I should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters O is missing and the G is missing. OG. Alright. Come on. O in this column. O in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no O there. O should be there. 2 missing letters now in this row for letters Z is missing and the Z and the Z and a G. We have a G in the third column. No G there. G should be here. And the Z goes there. Alright. Z in this first column. Z in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for Z should be there. Then N E. And I need a need an M. I need an M here. Alright. We have N in this column, N in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the N should be here. Or there we see an N in this row. No N there. N should be there. Come on. The G. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the G. We have a G in the middle column, so no G in these 3 boxes. So the 1 box left for the G in this big square should be there. Wow. H and the G, the O, the M, H. Yeah. Two missing letters in this column. For letters, E is missing, and E is missing, and G is missing. We have a G in this row, so no G there. G should be here. And E goes there. Yeah. Two missing letters in this column for letters. L is missing. And Z is missing, yeah. We have Z in the second row, no Z there. Z should be here. And the L goes there. Alright. Okay. Z in the first row, Z in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the Z should be there. Okay. Z and E, we have a Z in the last column. No Z there. Z should be here. E goes there. E. Oh. One letter is missing in the third row for letter H is missing here. The H, yeah, the H is missing. Need H here, yeah. H in this column, H in the column next to the last column. No need to place left for the H should be here or there. We see an H in the first row. No H there. H should be in there. And all the H's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter H. Alright. O, G, need an L. Alright. Need an M here. So two missing letters in this big square for letters O and the M. O and the M. Oh, well, We have a G in the first column, G in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the G should be there. G in the first row, this row, G in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the G should be there. O and a G, we have a G in this column, no G there. G should be here, and the O goes there. And all the G's are used. I can see here. Letter number 2, letter G. Alright. Okay. E is missing. L is missing. E-L. And Z is missing. E-L-Z. Need to wait. M. And I need the I. No I there. Come on. Well, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is N. We have an N in this column, so no N there. So the N could be here, could be there. N in one of those two boxes in the first column, N in the third column, so the column between this second column, the only place left for the N should be there. M is missing, and E is missing. M is missing and an E is missing in this big square. We have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here. And M goes there. So 2 missing letters now in the first column. For the letters N is missing. And I is missing. Yeah, we need the I there. That means 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter M. M in the third column, M in the first column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in this middle row, so no M there. M should be there. 1 box left in this second column for the letter E is missing. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing, and L is missing. I and L. Ill. Okay. Here also ill. 2 missing letters. I and L. We have I in this big square, no I there. So the I should be here. And the L goes there. Troubles with the pencil. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter L. L in this row, L in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in this column, no L there. L should be there. L in this column, L in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the L should be there. E and Z are missing here. E and Z. E and Z. Yeah. 2 missing letters in this row. For letters E is missing and the Z is missing. E and Z. We have a Z in this column, no Z there. Z should be here and the E goes there. E in this row. E in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the E should be there. E in the last column, E in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. How about the Z in the last column? Z in the column next on that column. The only place left for the Z should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters O is missing. I think the O should be here in the last column here. 1 box left in this big square for the letter I is missing here. I in the last column, I in the column next, so on that column, the only place left for the I should be there. I marked these 2 boxes with I and N. We have I in the second row, no I there. I should be there, and N goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters O and the N is missing. O and N. We have N in this row, no N there. N should be here. And O goes there. O and M. We have O now in the second row, no O there. O should be here. And the M goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. I've solved this in 80 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And the word in Dutch is omhelzing. It's a hug in English, a hug. Omhelzing, yes. A hug, a big hug. Alright. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.